Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Bolaxin LED swimming pool lights for Pentair Hayward Fixture 12-volt 35-watt. Bolaxin LED swimming pool light is great if you have an old incandescent light to replace. It can produce the same brightness as a 200-watt incandescent bulb, but without the high energy usage or the potentially dangerous heat. Lifespan of this bulb is 65,000 hours, and it is able to lit up 25,000-gallon pool. Also has 15 settings, including 6 solid colors and 9 unique color programs. Compatible with the most common Pentair Amerlite and Hayward fixtures. Features: energy efficient, bright and long-lasting, 12-volt 35-watt. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.